Ever wondered how to create that sleek brushed metal look in your 3D models? Today, we are uncovering the secrets of the anisotropic metal technique in Blender. Let's start with a basic metallic shader. Set the metallic value to 1, the roughness to 0.2. Anisotropic slider in the principal BSDF shader tries to emulate the real world anisotropic feature. Set the anisotropic value all the way to 1. We need to set the anisotropic direction. The direction typically aligns with the local z-axis. You can view the local axis by enabling origins in the upper right corner of the viewport. The anisotropic direction is already aligned to the axis we want, but if you need to change it, you can add a tangent node and select any axis you prefer. If your light reflection appears slightly bent, you can tweak the anisotropic rotation. Set it to 0.25, which is equivalent to 90 degrees, since the value of 1 represents 360 degrees. Now, let's add a circular brushed metal grain. Add a noise texture node and connect it to the roughness input. Increase the scale to around 250. Set the detail to 15 and roughness to 0.8. Increase the lacunity to add more detail. Next, add a vector math node. Switch it to distance and plug it into vector input of the noise texture. Also, add a texture coordinate node and connect the generated output to the vector input. Set all the values to 0.5. To emphasize the metal grain, add a color ramp node. If you have Node Wrangler add-on enabled, press Shift plus Ctrl to preview the effect. Move the sliders close together to increase the contrast, then reduce the value slightly to soften the effect. To exit the preview, press Shift plus Ctrl on the principal BSDF shader. Finally, add a bump node. Connect the color output of the color ramp to the height input and connect the normal output to the shader's normal input. Decrease the strength to 0.01. And that's it. Your anisotropic metal shader is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Blender tutorial. Thanks for watching.